Just on stroke please. And all together, row. Big wave coming. Well done. Keep rowing. Keep rowing. Expertly done. Just on stroke please. And all together. Just a few more and then I'll get the rudder in. Okay, easy yours and rope. So this will be a nice. Everyone happy? Good. It's our little flotilla behind us. Oh! So that's St David's lifeboat, St Justinian's. The boat's behind us. Yeah, we're just so fast. So that's the bitches. If you look over your left shoulders, you can see the bitches. And there's one more that you can't see, which we need to go round and not over, as someone said this morning. A little bit, yeah. Nice and gently rolling though. Okay, let's put a little bit more on now for a minute. Keep it like that, please. Keep going, we're just trying to get across now in behind the bitches. Keep it like this, absolutely perfect. Whee, there's that snatch. There's that snatch, just as Tom said, keep rowing. Keep it going, another 150 yards and we'll be in the slack.
Come right across this down, turn straight towards the farmhouse now.
They're quite a way over actually, aren't they? Okay, just moderate effort. Okay, and relax. Easy oars. Beautiful.
Atlantic storm on the 2. Atlantic storm. Tom had just asked what it was like around here, as to whether or not they lunch around on the east side there, or whether or not they can get in here and lunch over. Well, they could, but probably be more comfortable the other side.
Easy yours. Whoa.
There'll be a breeze there, so it'll be more difficult just to hang out and stay still. Yeah, okay. In that case, I think we'll have a 10-minute break here before going through the turf. Yeah,
right.
I think that's what we'll do. Over.
Okay, and we're rowing through the gap now, so keep the pressure on. Nice, bit more pressure. 20 yards and we're going through the narrow point. Keep the pressure on, keep the pressure on. And we're right through the narrow bit now. Bit of a swell. Keep pulling. Little waves coming now in front of us, just keep pulling. Wow, look at that. Few waves, bit of a bounce, keep pulling, keep pulling. All together please, get back in together, you've got to keep rowing. Lovely. That's it, keep going. We're through the gap. Nice. Nice. Keep. There'll be a little bit more of the up and down. So nice and relaxed, just try and keep your form and stay together. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, whoa, that came past quite close. Oh, that's the big one. Power now, bit of power. Just had to let boy Ben get ahead of us. That's it, keep rowing right through this. Get your pressure on. Lovely, well done. And he's back again. Nicely done. Oh yeah, film that. Thing is, you've all fallen apart now though. And that unfortunately was still on camera. Do is when we round the corner I'll turn it off for a bit because we'll just be going straight across the middle. Okay, a little bit more then, please. Yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, put a bit of speed on. Okay, easy, 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 easy. Right, that was surfacing. Alright, don't try and catch us.
Oh, baby, time that.
Well done. Nice.